There is a prophetic wind blowing, and God is using force to part and make a way, remove any hindrances, and establish through His prophetic wind the blowing of things into place. The momentum has been gathering since last year, and March is highly significant. Come and be blessed and positioned for all that God has for you in this year of manifestation. There is a prophetic wind blowing,